Hello lovely people, welcome back to Irama Moses YouTube channel. In this new video I would like us to prepare yam balls the authentic way. Guys, this recipe that I'm about to prepare is very delicious. It's easiest and quickest way to prepare your yam balls. So let's start. I will go through the ingredients with you. I have my egg here. With the egg, I'm only using the white bit. I have my yam there, and also I have my, if you can see, I have my diced vegetables there. The egg, I didn't add the yolk, so I'm using the white one. And I have my black pepper. I have my bread crumble that I will use to coat my yam balls. So let's roll it. Guys, I have my pot on fire. I'm going to add my water now. Then we will start boiling our yam. When the yam is ready, then we will take it from there. Guys, now that I've added my water, I'm going to place my yam into my water now. I've already washed my yam. Guys, after placing my yam, I'm going to add salt to taste. So I just use a teaspoon of sea salt. So I'm going to cover this. When the yam is cooked, then we will take it from there. Hello guys, our yam is ready. So I'm going to strain the water from the yam. Then we will start making our yam balls. Guys, here we go. Our yam is ready. I've strained the water from the yam, so I'm going to transfer the yam into my bowl. Then we will start mashing. Yam is hot. It's better we mash it before it gets cold. I hope you guys can see the way I am mashing my yam. Let me add the rest of the yam. Guys, I'm done mashing my yam. So at this point, I'm going to add some butter to my mashed yam. Then you make sure you mix it to combine. Guys, at this point, I'm going to add black pepper. I also have my blended pepper, onions, and garlic that I'm going to add a little to it. Then we will mix it to combine. Let me add my evaporated milk. I'm using evaporated milk, but you can use fresh milk as well. It gives it some special flavor. I prefer to use fresh milk, but I don't have fresh milk at the moment, so that's why I'm using evaporated. At this point, I'm going to use my hand to mix them well, because the spoon can't mix it for me. I also have my peppers here. I will add, guys, I'll be adding some spring onions. I have some onions here and some bell peppers. We are going to add some to it. Guys, I hope you can see. Then I will mix it. Then we will start forming our yam balls. Guys, now I'm done mixing my yam balls. So now it's time for me to start molding it into a ball shape. Then we will dip this in our egg. Then we will coat it with our bread crumble. So that's what I'm doing now, if you can see. Our oil too is on fire. So you dip this in the egg, then you roll it. Guys, another way you can do it as well, that will be easy for you. You can look for another bowl, then you mold all the yam balls and you put them in the bowl. Then when you finish, then you start dipping them in the egg, then you coat it, then you fry them straight away. So this is what I'm doing. I'll be doing this till my mashed yam is finished. So I'm going to repeat the same process till I'm done. Then we will start frying them together. I hope you guys can see. Guys, I'm done coating some of my meatballs, so I'm going to start frying them now. I hope you guys can see. So I've coated them with my Hello guys, our meatballs is ready and served, and look how nice, appealing, yummy is looking. With this you can serve it for your parties, you can just prepare some for your visitors, and also you can serve this with your jollof rice, plain rice and stew. Anything goes. You can eat it as it is as well. So guys, I will ask you to subscribe and also press the notification bell to be part of EM family. I will see you in my next video. God bless you. Subscribe. I love you.